So if you're currently running the Windows 11 Home Edition, you might have a problem to open or to enable the group policy editor. But I am not having that problem, and as you can see, I can open up the group policy editor, which looks like this. That gives you full control over how to edit policies within your Windows, right? But I am here to help you to fix that problem. So what you want to do, you want to simply open up your notepad, right? And you want to follow these steps that I will provide to you here. So you want to go ahead and create a BAT file using this script that I have here right on my screen, and I will share this within the description of the video as well. So you want to go ahead and save the file to, for example, group policy.bat. As you can see, I have right here. I'm going to go ahead and save this file. So you go ahead and save as, and you want to save it to a BAT, and let's put it on the desktop, for example, right? And save. Now once you go ahead and save the file, as you can see, I have the BAT file. The next step is for you to run this as administrator. So you want to go ahead and run this as administrator, and this will open up the command prompt, and it will do some checks, right? And it will go ahead and run until it's completed. Now once this is completed, guys, you want to go ahead and open up your run command, and you want to type gpedit, which is a group policy edit. So you can easily go ahead and right click and then click run if you're on Windows 11, and then you can simply enter this gpedit.msc, right? And this is basically going to open up the group policy editor, and this should in fact work if you're currently working on the Windows 11 Home Edition. So yeah, that's all there is to it, guys, and I'll provide all of this information within the description of this video so that you are able to create your own group policy bat file that you're able to run to fix this issue while you're running the Windows 11 Home Edition. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.